Hello children, today we are going to see Unit 1 Materials Around Us. The learning objectives. Identify the different materials around them. Differentiate between the materials. What do you mean by materials around us? Yes. What are the things you are seeing daily in your surroundings is called materials around us. See this picture? What are the things are here around you? Swing, the trees, the mans are working, bricks, sand, a kid is playing, a statue, plants, etc. These are some of the things around us. While you are playing or while you are in the park, these are the things you might see. But in home, what are the things? Yes, utensils, television, fan, door, windows, pillows, beds, all things that you see in your house and you have in your house are all called what? Materials around us or materials around you. All the objects that we use are made of different kinds of materials. Yes, every materials are made with different kinds of materials. Okay, different kinds of material means what? Yes, wood, iron, bricks, sand, etc. Here we are going to see about wood. See, she is writing. Meera is coloring with a pencil. Meera is coloring with a pencil. Pencil is also made up of wood. She is keep her pencil and notebook in a table. This table is also made with a wood. What is this? The old man is sitting in a chair. E-chair. He is having a walking stick. Both are made up of wood. Here is a shelf. This shelf is also made up of wood. Books are arranged in the bookshelf. Bookshelf is made up of wood. Vimal is playing with a doll. He is having a wooden doll. This doll is made up of wood. So, we are using wood in our daily life. What are the things you see in your home that is made up of wood? Yes. Door, windows, chair, table, sofa, everything are made up of wood that can be seen in your house too. See here, wood is a material got from the trunk and branches of trees. We make many things such as chairs, toys, pencils, ladders, cricket bats, matchsticks, doors and bookshelves from wood. See, this is a tree. This is its trunk and branches are of wood. These trunks are used to make these things. As I said before, see, chair, doors, ladder, cricket bat, toys, all are made of wood. This is a matchstick. It is also made of wood. So wood is very useful in your daily life. See, this is a activity. Identify the things made of wood in your classroom. Which are the things you can see in your classroom? You do this, okay? Tick the things made of wood. See, what are the things made of wood? This bureau, the shelf, the round table, small table, chair, all are made of wood. The next thing is clay. What are the uses of clay? Let us see. Fatima is planting a sapling in the soil. The clayey soil is used to plant trees. It is very useful to the plants to grow well. Okay, soil is a mixture of clay, sand, small pieces of rock and dried leaves. Clay is sticky. It has the ability to absorb water. So, it is very sticky. You know the sand, no, it is very sticky. It is easily absorb the water. Bricks are made of clay. See, these bricks, you used it for build the house. No, build the house. She is planting the tree in the clay soil. This is a clay soil. He is preparing. He is made clay bricks using clay. Okay, many more things can be used clay. See here, pot, clay stove, lamp, rooftops, roof tiles. These are made using clay. Rajan collects wooden toys. Kamala collects clay toys. How many toys do each of them have? Count and write. See, is Rajan. He collects all wooden toys. How many toys are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 wooden toys. You have to write 4 in this box. Kamala collects clay toys. How many clay toys are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you have to write 5. She collects 5 clay toys. The next material is stone. Sandhya and Kavya are playing with pebbles. You see no Kallanga. This is played using small stones. That small stones are known as pebbles. Pebbles are a type of stone. Stone is an odd substance found on earth. It is very odd. You have seen that, no? Stone is very odd. There are many kinds of stones. We use stone in many ways. See, this is Mahabalipuram temple. Mahabalipuram is well known for its stone sculptures. Sculptures are very famous in this Mahabalipuram. You should go there at least once and enjoy the sculptures. Okay, kids? See, what are the uses of stones? Stones are used to build houses. We are building houses using stones. Marble is a kind of stone. It is used to make floors and buildings. An example is Taj Mahal. It is made of marbles. It is also a kind of stone. Small stones called gravel are used to make roads. You might have seen the material used to build a roads. Okay. The next is stones are used to make statues. See, these type of statues are made using stones. Redstone is also a type of stone used in many buildings. We can make jewelry using precious stones called gems. You use rings, no? Color gems. Rings that are all made with precious stones. Example, you might have seen emerald, diamond. These are some of the examples of precious stones. The next material is sand. See, Ravi and Prabhu are playing in the sand. Do you like playing in the sand? Sand is formed from broken pieces of rock over a long period of time. What is a sand? It is a broken pieces of rock. When the rain comes or any flood comes, the flowing water brings the pieces of rock. That small tiny pieces of rock is called as sand. Okay. Sand is mixed with cement to construct buildings. Sand is used in making glass. Beautiful sculptures can be made with the sand. This is called sand art. Children, you also build the sand houses in the beaches like this, no? That is also a sand building. You can build beautiful sculptures. See, glass is also comes from the sand. This is also a sand art. See here, see the pictures, children, observe the pictures. Next, sand clocks were used to measure time in the olden days. Sand clocks were used to measure time in the olden days. Nowadays we are having clocks, no, like that. In olden days, this is a sand clock. It is used to measure time. They know the time using this. If the sand comes down fully, it 1 hour goes. Okay, then they will turn this upside down, and again the sand from the upside comes to the down. Okay, this is the process of a sand clock. See, shall we make a sand clock? Yeah. Take 2 similar bottles. Okay, you take 2 similar bottles, make a hole on the lid of both with the help of your teacher or your parents. Now you can use the help of your parents and you can try this out. Fill one half of one bottle with sand. Paste both bottles with tape as shown in the picture. Now the sand clock is ready. See here, you do like this. Okay, do this experiment and enjoy. Next materials we know is metals. See, these are the metal objects. Surya is riding a cycle. Bicycles are made of metals. You have bicycles, no? That is also made of metal. Metal is a odd and shiny material. We use metals in our daily life in many ways. Look at the following examples. See, the vessels, the tap, your ring, bangles, jewels, car, cycle, bike, everything is made of a material. It is very shiny and it is very odd. So you can easily use that. See, wires. Wires are made of metal. Coins. Your rupee coins are made of metal. You can see so many materials, so many things in your house that is made of metals. So this is a exercise. Circle the things made of metals. What are the things here that is made of metals? Look. Yes, this is a nut. This is made of a metal and this is made of metals. Keys are made of metals. The tumbler and the rods. These are all metals. See this question. Which material is used to make the given object? Enter the correct number in the circle. This is a pot. This is made of, yes, wood. So you have to write 2 in this circle. This is a 5 rupee coin. It is made of, yes, metal. So you have to write 5 here. This is a wooden car. It's a toy car. So wood is 2. Write 2 here. This is a stone sculpture. Stone statue. Stone is 4. So you have to write 4 here. This is, yes, sand. Sand art. Write 1 in this circle. Find and circle the hidden words. Box. Box is hidden in somewhere in this numbers. Letters. See BOX. Here BOX. You circle this box. Likewise, you find lamp, pot, road, stone and lock in the letters box. Okay, children? Connect the objects to the materials they are made of. See, wood. Which are the things made of wood? You find and match that. Likewise for metal and clay. Find and match this. Put a tick mark on the correct material. See, what is this? Stone. So search for stone and put a tick in that particular column box. Likewise, search for this and find the correct material and put a tick in that particular box. Self-evaluation. What you have learned from this lesson? Yes, I can identify the different materials around me. I can differentiate between them. Hope you all understand these concepts, children. Thank you, children.